Good morning students. Welcome back to Max Online class. How are you students? I hope you all are fine and safe by God's grace. Students, are you learning everyday's portion? Students, you have to learn everyday's portion. Then only easy to pick up. Okay? In the previous class, what did you learn? Yeah, some exercise problem, is it? Okay. Types of function, based on types of function, is it? Today I am going to explain example problem, example 1.16. Okay, students, what are the types of functions? One function, many one function, and two function, in two function. What is one function? A distinct element in A have distinct image in B means that is one function. Next, what is many one function? More than one element in A have same image in B means that is onto many one function. What is onto function? And every element in B has a pre-image in A means that is onto function. Next, what is into function? At least one of the element in B does not have a pre-image means that is into function, is it? Now, I am going to explain example 1.16. Before learning this example 1.16, I am giving one note. Okay? Note, to prove a function f from A to B to be one function. It is one function like that. If you want to prove, it is enough to prove if f of x is equal to f of y, then x is equal to y. Okay. If f of x is equal to f of y, then x is equal to y. We have to f of x is equal to f of y means we have to prove that x is equal to y. Then that is a one function. Okay, f of x is equal to f of y means we have to prove that x is equal to y. Then it is a one function. Okay, here one question, example 1.16. Forensic scientists can be determine the height of a person based on the length of the thigh bone. They usually do so using the function h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10, where b is the length of the thigh bone. Verify the function h is 1 or not. We have to verify whether it is 1 or not. Also, find the height of a person if the length of his thigh bone is 50 cm. Find the length of the thigh bone if the height of a person is 147.96 cm. Listen here. One function is given. H of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. This is a function. We have to check whether it is one or not. Okay. Before note, just now you see this note. F of x is equal to f of y means we have to bring it x is equal to y. Then it is 1. Okay. Otherwise, in the xy in place, another constant also we can put. Otherwise, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then x1 is equal to x2 means that is 1. Okay. Here another value. Otherwise, f of a1 is equal to f of a2 implies a1 is equal to a2 means that is one function. Okay. Here which function is given? Function is h of b is equal to 2.47b plus 54.10. This is the height of a person. Height is height of a person based on their thigh bone. Okay, the length of the, based on their length of the thigh bone, they are determining the height of a person, whether it is 1 or not. Okay, that we have to prove. First, listen here. H of B in place, we can take H of B1, H of B2. Two different functions we have to take it. Okay. Listen here. Given H of B is equal to 2.47B plus 54.10. Okay. Already I told to you that f of x is equal to f of y implies x is equal to y means that is 1, 1. Here I am taking h of b1 is equal to, here b in place I am taking b1. Okay, 2.47b1 plus 54.10. Next, h of b2 is equal to, b2 is equal to 2.47b2 plus 54.10. Okay. Here h of b means 2.47b plus 54.10. H of b1 means b in place b1 we have to substitute. H of b2 means b in place b2 we have to substitute. To check if h is 1, 1. We have to check h is 1, 1 or not. First, we have to assume that h of b1 is equal to h of b2. H of b1 is equal to h of b2. Okay, if we are getting b1 is equal to b2 means that is a 1, 1 function. Okay, already before the page I gave the note, f of x is equal to f of y implies x is equal to y means it is 1, 1, is it? Here x in place I have substituted h of b1. Okay, f in place h, y we have substituted height. Here already given height of function is h of. So h of b1, x in place b1, next y in place b2, like that I have substituted. Next, h of b1 value substitute here. 2.47b1 plus 54.10. 54.10 is equal to 2.47b2 plus 54.10. Clear? H of b1 is equal to h of b2, like that we have taken. Now 54.10, left hand side also plus 54.10, right hand side also plus 54.10. It will be cancel. If you are taking in the left hand side 54.10 minus 54.10, we will be get it. So we can cancel that. 54.10 will be cancelled. Now we are getting 2.47b1 is equal to 2.47b2. Now here listen here, 2.47b1 is equal to 2.47b1 is equal to 2.47b2. Now b2 value take it in left hand side, this 2.47 take it in right hand side. So b1 by b2. Okay, this b2 will be come in the denominator. b1 by b2 is equal to 2.47 by 2.47. It will be cancelled. 1 we are getting. B1 by B2 is equal to 1. Therefore, B1 is equal to B2. Okay. H of B1 is equal to H of B2. We have assumed, is it? What we got? What did get? We got the answer B1 is equal to B2. Therefore, H of B1 is equal to H of B2 implies B1 is equal to B2. Therefore, H of B is 1, 1. Therefore, the function H is 1, 1. Therefore, the function H is 1, 1. Students, have you all understand this? First, H of B, this function is given. Okay, height is the height of the person. B is the length of the thigh bone. Okay, whether it is 1, 1 like that, we have to check. For checking this, already one rule is there. If f of x is 1, 1, we have to check if f of x is equal to f of y implies x is equal to y. Then that is 1, 1. Now h of b in place h of b1, h of b2 we have taken. Now h is 1, 1 like that, we have to check it, is it? For that we have to assume h of b1 is equal to h of b2. When we are assuming h of b1 in place 2.47 b1 plus 54.10, h of b2 plus 2.47 b2 plus 54.10, h of b1 is equal to h of b2 implies we are getting b1 is equal to b2. Therefore, the function h is 1, 1. Clear, students? Now we have to go for the second one. First, this is the first part. Second question, what is the second question there? Also find the height of a person if the length of his thigh bone is 50 centimeter. Second one, length of the thigh bone is given. Is it the length of the thigh bone is equal to thigh bone B is equal to 50 centimeter. Length of the thigh bone B is equal to 50 centimeter. Okay, 50 centimeter. We have to find out whether we have to find out which one? Height of a person. B is equal to 50 centimeter given. Height of a person means h of B we have to find out. H of B is equal to what is given? Function is 2.47b plus 54.10. Here h of 50 we have to find out. Okay, length of the thigh bone B is equal to 50 centimeter. We have to find out which one? Height of a person. So h of 50 is equal to 2.47 into 50 plus 54.10. Now when we are multiplying, what will we get? 247 into 50. 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 balance, 5 4s are 20, 23, 2 balance, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 digit before I have to put the decimal point. Is equal to 123.50 plus 54.10. When we are adding 123.50, 54.10. Is equal to 177.60 centimeter. Therefore, height of a person is equal to height of a person is equal to 177.60 centimeter. Length of the thigh bone B is given. We have to find out the height of a person. H of B is equal to formula 2.47. The function is H of B is equal to 2.47B plus 54.10. Here length of the thigh bone B is equal to 50. So B in place we have to substitute 50. Therefore height of a person H is equal to 177.60 centimeter. Then the third question is, find the length of the thigh bone if the height of a person is 147.96 centimeter. Height of a person is equal to height of a person, that is height of a person means H is it. H of B is equal to how much? 147.96 centimeter. It is given. Okay, height of a person H of B is equal to 147.96 centimeter. Now already what is the function? H of B is equal to 2.47B plus 54.10 H of B. Here the H of B in place we have to substitute 147.96 centimeter. Okay. So we can substitute 2.47B, H of B value 2.47B plus 54.10 is equal to 147.96. This 54.10 take it in this side. So 2.47B is equal to 147.96 minus 54.10. Subtracting time. 54.10. Here 6, 8, 3, here 9. 93.86. 2.47B is equal to 93.86. Then B is equal to 93.86 divided by 2.47. How we can divide this? Yeah, this after the 2 decimal point. After the decimal point 2 digit is there. Here also after the decimal point 2 digit is there. Numerator and denominator after the decimal point 2 digit is there. So the numerator and denominator we can multiply by 100. So it's equal to 9386 by 247. 9386 by 247. When we are dividing, what we are getting? 9386 divided by 247. Okay, 3 times when we are multiplying, what will we get? 3 times 247 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 2 balance. 4 3s are 12. 14. 1 balance. 6 7. 3 times means more than 938 will be get. Okay. So 3 times 741. Balance is 7. Here 13 minus 4 is 13 minus 4 9. Next here 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Next is 6. We have to take it down. Now again we can multiply and say that 247 into how many times it will be get? 1976. So 8 times when we are multiplying, 8 7s are 56. Fine. Next 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 5, 37. 3. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 9. 1976. So correctly getting 1976. So 8 times 0 is equal to 38 centimeter. Therefore, length of the height of a person given, length of the thigh bone. Length of the thigh bone is equal to equal to 38 centimeter. Clear, students? Any doubt in here? Okay, easy problem. You have to learn this. Okay. Students, now I am going to explain exercise 1.4, 11th problem. Okay. The distance as an object travels under influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by S of t is equal to half gt square plus at plus b. It is a function. This function only very important. Where g is the acceleration due to gravity. A, b are constant. Verify whether the function S of t is 1, 1 or not. Whether this function is 1, 1 or not. Okay. Now, I gave a rule for you. If it is 1, 1 function, for to check the function is 1, 1, it is enough to prove that f of x is equal to f of y implies x is equal to y. Here also, S of t is equal to if f is 1, 1. If S of t is 1, 1. S of t1 is equal to S of t2 implies t1 is equal to t2. Okay, this is a rule. Okay, if S of t is 1, 1, we have to prove that S of t1 is equal to S of t2 implies t1 is equal to t2. Okay, first given function S of t. S of t is equal to half gt square at plus b. Okay. Now, like before problem h of b is given. So, h of b1, h of b2 we have taken. Here S of t is given. So, we have to take it S of g1, S of t1, S of t2. S of t1 is equal to half g t1 square plus at1 plus b. Next, S of t2 is equal to half g t2 square plus at2 plus b. To check f is 1, 1, is it? To check if s is 1, 1. First, we have to assume that S of t1 is equal to S of t2. We assume that S of t1 is equal to S of t2. Okay. S of t1 is equal to S of t2 means what will be get it? Yeah, of g t1 square plus at1 plus b is equal to of g t2 square plus at2 plus b. Clear? Of g t1 square plus at1 plus b is equal to of g t2 square plus at2 plus b. Now, I am going to take all the terms in left hand side. Okay. If we are taking that, what will be get? Of g t1 square plus AT1 plus B minus of GT2 square minus AT2 minus B is equal to 0. Clear, students? Any doubt in here? Why here 0 getting every term when we are taking left hand side? The right hand side is 0 equal to 0. Now this two terms also of G is common, is it? Here also of G is common, of G is common. That terms I am taking together. Okay. So what we are getting is equal to of implies of G T1 square minus of G T2 square. Next plus AT1 minus AT2. This two terms also AT1 minus AT2. A is common. That term I am taking together. So AT1 minus AT2. Next this plus B minus B is 0. Plus B minus B is 0. Okay. Now here what is common? In these two terms also of G is common. Of G is common. Take it outside. So of G into T1 square minus T2 square. Okay, equal to 0. Next, here both the terms also A is common. Here both the term also which is common? A is common. If we are taking outside, A into T1 minus T2 is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubt here? Now, listen here. Here it is in the form of A square minus B square. A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to formula A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. So, it's equal to of G into T1 plus T2 into T1 minus T2. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Plus A into T1 minus T2 is equal to 0. Now here this is one term. Here also another term. In between plus is there means another term. What is common? T1 minus T2 is common in both the term also. T1 minus T2 is common. So, if we take T1 minus T2 outside, what will we get here? Of G into T1 plus T2 plus A is equal to 0. Of G into T1 plus T2 plus A is equal to 0. Here, we can take T1 minus T2 is equal to 0 or of G into T1 plus T2 plus A is equal to 0. This two term is there means this is equal to 0 or this of G into T1 plus T2 plus A is equal to 0. If T1 is equal to T2 means T1 minus T2 is equal to 0 means what will we get? T1 is equal to T2. T1 is equal to T2. If of G into T1 plus T2 plus A is equal to 0 means what will we get? Listen here. Of G into T1 plus T2 is equal to minus A. Okay. T1 plus T2 is equal to minus A. Then T1 plus T2 is equal to this of G also. Take it that side. So 2 will become in the numerator 2A by G. Here the gravity is which one? Negative, like that we are getting. It is not, acceleration is negative. It is not possible. Okay, T1 plus T2 is equal to minus 2a by g. Time, when we are adding the time, we are getting minus 2a by g. It is not possible. It is not possible. Therefore, S of T1 is equal to S of T2 implies. This is not possible means we can take this one. T1 is equal to T2. Therefore, S of T is 1, 1. S of T is 1, 1. Clear, students? Shall I explain one more? Okay. The distance as an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t second is given by S of t is equal to, it is a function of gt square plus att plus b is b. A comma b are constant. Verify whether the function S of t is 1, 1 or not. Already before problem itself I explained the rule. If S of t is 1, 1 means S of t1 is equal to S of t2 implies t1 is equal to t2. Okay. Now this rule, no, it is not necessary to write. For understanding only I have written here. Okay. First S of t given. There S of t1 and S of t2 I am writing. To check S is 1, 1, we have to assume that S of T1 is equal to S of T2. So, S of T1 in place, this value I am writing, S of T2 in place, this value. S of T1 is equal to S of T2. Everything taking in the left hand side. Here, of G T1 square, of G T2 square. Here of G is common. A T1 minus A T2. Here, A is common. The common terms I am taking together. So, here of G is common. So, of G into T1 square minus T2 square plus A into T1 minus T2 is equal to 0. Okay, here A square minus B square formula when we are using, we are getting T1 minus T2 is equal to 0 or of G into T1 plus T2 plus A is equal to 0. It is not possible. Therefore, T1 minus T2 is equal to 0 implies T1 is equal to T2. Therefore, S of T is 1, 1. Okay. Have you all understand this? Okay. Students, you have to learn these problems very thoroughly. Okay. Thank you, students.